Hi guys, now I'm going to tell external interrupt. I'm assigned a button for pin number 17 and I assigned the LED for pin number 16. Okay, I created a flag message flag. Okay, now instead of what we need, I created a baud rate. Okay, serial communication between ESP32 and computer. Pin mode is LED pin and its direction is output. For button we need to take information inside, so it is input pull up, internal pull up. That means it's always high. When I am pressing button it will become slow, the interrupt will be occurred. Okay, for interrupt I written a function attach interrupt, where I need to write button pin number and the function, how to behave like that function, and what is the case, what is our case. From internal pull up to the, when I'm pressing button it becomes 0, that means high to low, that means it is a falling edge. Okay, when it is in a low I am pressing it is becomes 1, then it is rising from 0 to 1, so it is becomes a rising edge. Okay, that is the function. I will now explain got function. Okay, here void iram attribute got function. Why I am written iram attribute means it is like a function which will be stored in RAM and it will be deleted after some time, right? That's why I'm writing iram attribute got function. In that I changed flag to true, that means 1, true means 1 on. Okay, serial pin print, when flag is turned on it will print external interrupt has occurred. Okay, now we are going for loop. First it is checking did the interrupt has occurred or not. Since I didn't press any button, the interrupt is not turned on. Okay, it will store message as false only. Now we will upload the program to the ESP32. Okay, now it is compiling, it's loading. Okay, it's connected to the ESP32. It's updating the code. Yeah, now it is done. Now I will show you, go for tools and serial monitor. I will show you in diagram also. Okay, this LED line is connected to pin number 16 and button is connected to pin number 17. Okay, here, and button left side is connected to the ground. Okay, and resistor terminal is connected to the ground, and ground option is connected to the GND of the ESP32. Okay, when I am pressing button the LED is turned on, that means interrupt has occurred. In screen you can watch in serial monitor, see external interrupt has occurred, event captured. Why it is showing like this? See, in message interrupt has happened true, that means external interrupt has occurred. That is, when I press a switch it will be prints. Okay, and in loop function the flag becomes true, right? So what happens is, right, LED pin as high, that means to be right LED to bright. So to turn off the LED I kept some delay and print event captured and write a LED pin as low. If I didn't write LED, the LED pin will be still the turn on. Okay, okay guys, thank you for watching.